Good evening, friends. The novel coronavirus pandemic has stalled economic activity, threatening to push the world into the recession, and most of the sectors are feeling its impact. The new virus, which has infected and killed many in India, caused both demand and supply disruption in the already slowing economy. That prompted the central and state governments in Asia's third largest economy to adopt certain measures, including the sealing of borders, curbing non essential services to contain spread, the ESDM sector that have remained untouched from the impact of the virus outbreak as yet. Subject to the government approval, the country prepares to commence its production and all its facilities soon. After days of lockdown, which started on 24th of March, on lifting the lockdown, the company might have to go through a lot of opportunities, challenges, issues to restart its operation, and the industry plans to restore production would depend upon the exact roadmap of the industry post-lockdown period. A comprehensive cost-benefit evaluation would be needed for undertaking the complex decision. We must estimate the economic cost of the Indian lockdown and propose an alternative set of measures that may be only a little less effective but also much less costly in the economic and social terms. With less workforce and huge pressure coming on the way, the scope of work will broaden. We also have to identify highly potential industries and the less potential industry which will make its way post COVID-19 lockdown. We need some best practices and guidelines which will put economy on the front foot. I'm likely to give you some tips and best practices in my next video. Thank you very much.